in Wonderland. On a sunny summer day, a young girl named Alice listens to her older sister read a book. Suddenly, a white rabbit dashes by, waving his pocket watch. "I'm late," says the rabbit. How strange, Alice thinks. She runs after the rabbit. As he scampers down a rabbit hole, Alice follows right behind him. Suddenly, she begins to fall. The white rabbit disappears through a small door at the bottom of the hole, but Alice is too big to follow. With the help of some magical food and drink, Alice shrinks and grows and shrinks again. Finally, she is the right size to get through the door. Alice finds herself in a strange wonderland. Birds talk. Fish dance. There's even a silly set of twins named Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Suddenly, the white rabbit scampers past. Alice tries to catch him. As she hurries along, Alice meets more of Wonderland's odd inhabitants, including talking flowers who think she's a weed. They tell her to leave their garden. The disappearing Cheshire Cat points the way to a mad tea party, complete with an unbirthday cake. Just as Alice grows tired of searching for the white rabbit, he appears. "Her Grace, Her Excellency, Her Royal Majesty, the Queen of Hearts," the rabbit announces. Alice joins the Queen in a game of croquet. Suddenly, the Cheshire Cat appears and begins to tease the Queen, who loses her temper. Alice runs for home. Suddenly, Alice hears a familiar voice. "Alice, will you kindly pay attention and recite your lesson?" her sister says. Alice was asleep. Wonderland was just a dream. Alice is happy to be home again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and check out my Patreon page. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Stay safe, everyone. We'll see you next time.